Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is actually going to be a lipstick review on the Heartbreaker lipsticks by Luscious Cosmetics. The Heartbreaker matte lipstick retails for Pakistani rupees 1195, which is almost 1200 rupees, and it has 18 shades. I have 3 shades. Now number 3 Poet is a beautiful peachy pink nude. I absolutely love it. It's more peach than it is pink, but it is such a soft and such a subtle and such a nudie color. I love it. This one absolutely has my heart, as does the next one, which is a Superstar. Now, if you look at Poet and then you look at Superstar, you're going to be like, what? There is literally no difference in these two. But if you put these two side by side, you're going to realize that Poet is leaning more towards the pinkier side, whereas Superstar is more towards the warm, orangey, brownish side. It's a very subtle difference, and it's definitely going to be more prominent with a full face of makeup, but if you apply it bare face, you might not notice that much of a difference between these two. However, these two are beautiful nude lipsticks. And lastly, we have this color Bay. Now, Bay is a beautiful dark pink color. Now, you can say it's kind of like the fuchsia color, but it's a little bit more deeper and a lot less neon-y, you know, but it's definitely a dark, bright pink that looks absolutely stunning. These are matte lipsticks. Like with all super matte lipsticks, this formula is super long wear. So if you're looking for lipsticks from a Pakistani brand and you want something that is super cheap but that is also super long wearing, you definitely want to check these out. This is not the most opaque formula. It is incredibly matte, but it is not opaque. And that is something I think that the brand should work on, maybe reformulate these, because honestly the shades are so beautiful, and if they were just a little bit more pigmented, that would have been awesome. So what I have to do when wearing these lipsticks is that I actually have to pair them with a nude lip liner, and if it's a matte lip liner, it works fine, but if it's a creamier lip liner, that further lightens the color of these lipsticks. And since 2 of them are nudes, they kind of like wash my skin out. But other than that, if I use these separately, they look beautiful, they look amazing, but they could have been a lot more opaque, and that is the only problem that I have with these lipsticks. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.